Anker has introduced the Zolo 35-watt travel power bank, a compact 10,000 mAh power bank with built-in dual USB-C cables. The device is now available on Jingdong for 180 yuan, $26, and serves as a successor to last year's model, which included only one cable and a maximum output of 30 watt. The Zolo 35W features a 3C plus 1A port configuration. It includes two built-in USB-C cables, one standalone USB-C port, and one USB-A port. The USB-C ports and cables support up to 35W output and 20W input, while the USB-A port supports 22.5W output. The power bank supports major fast charging protocols, including PD, PPS, QC, SCP, and UFCS. Anker has equipped the power bank with fast self-charging capabilities. The USB-C input allows the device to recharge at 20W, and users can charge a phone while the power bank itself charges at the same time. The built-in cables support both input and output, allowing flexible use without additional wires. The power bank features a digital LED display on the front that shows the remaining battery percentage at a glance. It measures 109.9 times 65.5 times 25 mm and weighs 221 grams, keeping the form factor compact for travel. The braided USB-C cable doubles as a built-in cable holder and carrying strap. The cable structure is tested for over 10,000 bends, while the fabric braided exterior resists dirt and wear. Anker uses its Active Shield 2.0 thermal management system to maintain safe temperatures.